Hey, what's up guys? Zach here. Another video again. I ordered a Thinkpad P52. It's a workstation to do a bunch of work on. It's pretty packed. I got one that's fully loaded. Just received it. This is a new laptop that Thinkpad or Lenovo just released recently, not too long ago. Probably less than a month ago, and decided to go for this just because it gives me the ability to have a discrete video card. Also, the latest 8th generation i7 processors, the 8850H, and they were given a choice to get the one with the Xeon, but I went for this just so I can get the more powerful video card, the P3200 from NVIDIA. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing real quick. Got my trusty knife here. Let's go. Just got it. We just got it today, actually. Like really, 10-15 minutes ago. I don't know. I'm really excited. It actually took about 5 to 7 days, which was very fast. Previously, I had a ThinkPad X1 6th generation ordered, and I had to cancel that because it was just kept getting delayed and stuff. So anyway, so there you go. We'll take this out. All right. Ooh, hit the camera. So, anyways, let's see what's out here. There's nothing here. This is probably the power brick and the battery. Nothing else is here. Alright, I'll put this aside. Then we'll go check out this thing here. Alright, so the power brick is here. Power brick is here. This is an AC adapter, 20 volts. Yeah, your typical power bricks. Cable. And I'm believing the battery. Oh, actually, I'm digging this because I love replaceable batteries. Sorry about that. I love replaceable batteries. That way, maybe I'll get another one just to have it as a backup. Pretty cool, man. This battery is 90 watt, and it's an lithium-ion battery. There we go. I don't know if you can see this, but it's just a battery. Actually, don't have unlike for example, if you get a T480, you get the options of having one of those big ass batteries. So anyway, so we're gonna go and open this thing up. Let me put this phone on silent real quick. There we go. Yeah, so we'll zoom in a little bit so you can see the laptop. I mean, I sacrificed a little bit of portability with this laptop. It's not light, guys. It's really not. It's quite heavy. Probably about 6 pounds, 7 pounds, I think. Part of it is because of the display. Me having picked the 4K display actually added a little bit to the weight of the machine. So it's easy to open. As you can see, the screws are here. Really easy to open. And I'll just slap this in real quick. Alright, there you go. Yeah, it is heavy, yeah, so yeah. It's about about 7-8 pounds. 7 pounds, let's say. So it's 15.6 inch display, 4K resolution. Let me get the box real quick, just so I can read you the specs. Alright. So the specs are, so I have the i7 8850H paired with the NVIDIA P3200 6 gig card. I have the Intel 9560 with the Bluetooth 5.0 card. I have 32 gigs of RAM. I picked the 16 plus 16 configuration. What else? So it has Windows 10. I picked the option with the 500 gig regular hard drive because I already have the 1 terabyte SSD from Samsung that I'm gonna put in. What else? 15.6 4K IPS display with the IR camera and a 6-cell battery. Also the touchpad, which you know, if you know that, this is a ThinkPad thing here, the touchpad and the red button right here. And the cool thing about this, it takes up to 64 gigs of RAM. Also has 2 M.2 SSD slots. That means you can put as much power, as much storage as you want. So we'll boot it up real quick. See what happens here. Actually, this is cool. So look at that, and the display is touch. Okay, just so you guys know. Let's see. I've heard some good and not good stories about the display. That it is glossy. It's not matte as everybody wants them. I like my displays crisp and with a lot of colors, so that's why I picked this display. Nice hinges. Keyboard is amazing. If you ever use a ThinkPad, you know what I'm talking about. If not, this is probably the best keyboard out there, hands down. Hands down, guys. Also, what else? Fingerprint reader. You got the touchpad right here. What else did they get? I haven't tested the speakers, obviously. I'll test that out. So while it starts, we'll check out the side here. So it has a smart card reader, so it reads SD cards. Here you have the what is it, that USB here. And then on this side you have the mini port display, 2 USB-A ports, headphone jack right here, and the back. Here we go. This is, can you see? I hope you can see this. This is cool. Ethernet port, HDMI. What else is this? Well, this is for the charger. It still uses this USB looking charger port that ThinkPads usually have. You can also charge it via USB Thunderbolt. Right here, there's 2 port. USB-C Thunderbolt, of course. Okay, so you have your fans on the side. Put this up here real quick. So there you go. It's still started. Alright, usual stuff with Windows. Speakers up here. Yep. Man, I'm excited. I'm excited about this machine. I think it's gonna do a lot of good things for me, especially making videos and doing some other work on. This is a tank. Let's put it that way. This is just like Lenovo IBM used to make them. This is a machine. This is I don't know. I'm a big ThinkPad fan, as you can tell, and this machine is just what a ThinkPad is supposed to look like. So it's taking a little bit longer than expected to start. However, I'll make another video to go over, the display quality, the sound quality, all that responsiveness, and how fast this laptop is in another video. Just so I got this, finally just want to close this up with telling you how much I got this for. Got it during a sale in, when was it? October 24th. This machine loaded as it is, I got it about $2,000. You seriously cannot get anything with any laptop with these specs for this cheap. I mean, seriously, i7-8850H processor, which is a 6-core, I believe. Yep, a 6-core, which is top the line, and 32 gigs of RAM. The only thing that I skipped on was the hard drive, the SS. I didn't put a HDD on it, so I didn't put an SSD. I apologize, but I'm gonna add one right away after I boot this up, and I'm sure it will be very snappy. So until the next video, I will, until the next video, I will look at this laptop a little bit more thoroughly, and I will report back on how the battery life is, how fast it charges, and all that good stuff. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.